Hi students, it's great to see so many of you guys online this week. Welcome to, I think, week 4 of eSchool. I'm starting to lose track. I know we have 5 weeks of the school year yet, so I'm super excited about that. This week is going to be a little bit different in terms of we're doing the same thing twice. So last week you read about that Facebook article. Today you're going to read about e-waste, and then tomorrow you're going to read about some climate change protests, and then next week you're just going to have the whole week to analyze those texts and write about them a little bit. So today and tomorrow's modules, modules 6 and 7, are going to be pretty similar. And you'll just kind of do that process twice, reading a text, analyzing it, talking about the central idea, and then next week we'll kind of dive a little bit deeper into those texts, so it's super important you understand. First, as we're doing this, make sure you're thinking about that Picasso painting. We look at a text once, and then we zoom into a specific part, and then we think what the specific part symbolizes or means, and then we think about how the text might be different without that part. So we want to think about that process as we're reading today. What are these authors trying to tell us with these articles? What are their authorial choices or specific word choices we're talking about? Now, last week we did some work here with these type of like version A, version B, where I've changed a word or phrase. I tried to bold the words here so you could tell a little bit easier what's changed. I want you to be super specific. A lot of you just wrote answers like version A is specific and version B is not. No, please be really specific. So for this first example that I did for you, the only change was hurt and affect. But look at my answer. Version A tells the reader that this decision by Facebook will be very bad for news organizations and businesses because it uses the word hurt. Version B did not tell the reader how the change would affect organizations. It's not specific. But notice how much detail I went in about what those words mean. This is kind of that last step of like, if the author changed one thing, how would the understanding of that be different? Why is the author using that vocabulary? So go through, do these, make sure it's in complete sentences and has specific details, and have a great day. Thank you so much for your hard work.